Hello, everyone. My name is Crystal Reimer, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself according to the guidelines. I work at Momentous Institute, which is a lab school in Dallas, Texas. And throughout the year, we have special events in which I've chosen about 3 years ago to become my children's superhero, Captain Momentous. So we have things like Marathon Kids kickoffs and fun stuff, and I put on the red cape at the big M. Educational background: in 1996, I got my Bachelor's of Science in Kinesiology with a minor in English at Texas Women's University. Again, in 2005, I got my Master's of Science in Kinesiology with an emphasis in special populations. Including in that, I also take the national exam for adapted physical education teachers. In 2017, I completed 400 hours of mindfulness in an after-school program and online learning through Mindful Schools to achieve my Mindful Teacher certification. Here in August, I'm so excited to begin the doctorate program at UNCG with you guys. My research interests are surrounded by something that took my life by surprise in about 5 years ago. We began teaching it at our school, so I would just barely dabble in it. And then as I practiced more and more in my personal time, it began to affect everything more deeply, my personal life, but most importantly, probably my curriculum and how it affects children and students. So I'm here with one of my friends' kiddos, and we are having some fun playing TikTok like a clock. And then there in the bottom right-hand corner is my Putting the PE in Peace Facebook page. Mindfulness is an amazing strategy and tool. I hope that it becomes just more than a groundswell and that I'm able to impart a lot of change through it. My favorite activities are surrounded in nature. I love John Muir Woods National Park. I love seashores, in particular Outer Banks last summer. Flying kites on a seashore is even more amazing. Riding bikes, and of course at the end of it, a stack of pancakes. Who doesn't that motivate? I love basketball, and I definitely love the Dallas Mavericks, 2011 champions. Interesting fact is that I'm featured as a PE teacher in a movie called Brainius. It's a documentary made by a French film producer named Stephanie Briant. And right now it's getting some limited release in Europe, so kind of crazy. And I chose this program after getting some information at Shape Boston and looking at the online program, Unique Doctorate of Education Online in Kinesiology. Pretty cool. And then I looked at all the amazing professors and researchers and some of the great things that UNCG's accomplished. And I really felt like this would be worth investing not just in myself, but in a broader community, sharing good and great things that we could all learn a lot more about and be able to use. Distance learning was pretty tough in masters when I got my master's, but I'm not shying away from it. It should be fun, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to have a good time with you guys. Another reason is the great Michael Jordan, probably my all-time favorite basketball player ever and human being. So I look forward to learning with you and seeing you very soon, and of course working with you the next 4 years. Go Spartans!